let's talk self-care, girl. You deserve to feel amazing, and taking time for yourself is one of the best ways to do that. Here are some must-try ideas to turn your boredom into a mini spa day or a moment of mindfulness. 1. Try a new skincare routine. Imagine this: candles lit, soft music playing, and you diving into a luxurious skincare routine. Start by cleansing your face. Double cleanse if you've been wearing makeup. For that spa-like feel, try using a warm, damp towel to gently pat your face. It feels so good. After cleansing, grab a toner or even make your own with green tea or rose water. Then, it's time for serums. If you have vitamin C for brightening or hyaluronic acid for hydration, go for it. And girl, don't skip the face mask. A clay mask for detox or a sheet mask for hydration can work wonders. If you're feeling adventurous, whip up a DIY mask with honey and yogurt. It's easy and leaves your skin glowing. Finish up with moisturizer and sunscreen if it's daytime. Want to take it to the next level? Do a 5-minute facial massage with a jade roller or your fingers. It helps with circulation and gives you that natural glow. 2. Paint your nails. When was the last time you gave yourself a manicure? Start with the basics. Trim and file your nails, then push back your cuticles. Choose a nail color that matches your vibe: pastels, bold reds, or maybe something sparkly for extra fun. For a creative touch, try nail art. Use a toothpick or a small brush to create polka dots, stripes, or even tiny flowers. If that feels too tricky, you can stick to a classic glossy finish or try a trendy matte top coat. Pro tip: take your time with each layer. Start with a base coat, then apply 2 thin coats of polish, letting each one dry before adding the next. Finally, seal it all with a shiny top coat. 3. Have a bubble bath. Nothing says self-care like a bubble bath. Fill your tub with warm water, add some bath salts or bubble bath soap, and light a few candles. For an extra vibe, throw in a bath bomb. The fizzing colors and calming scents will make you feel like a queen. Don't forget to grab a book, play some chill music, or just close your eyes and relax. You can even use this time to exfoliate your skin with a scrub or deep condition your hair. 4. Journal your feelings. Sometimes, the best way to pass the time is to get your thoughts out on paper. Grab a cute notebook or open a notes app on your phone and start writing. You can jot down what's on your mind, make a list of goals, or even write about things you're grateful for. Not sure where to start? Try prompts like, what are 3 things that made me smile this week? If I could have my dream day, what would it look like? What's one thing I've been avoiding but want to accomplish? Journaling is not only a great way to pass the time, but also helps clear your mind and boost your mood. 5. Do a guided meditation feeling stressed or anxious. A quick guided meditation can work wonders. Look up a meditation on YouTube or use an app like Headspace or Calm. Even just 5 or 10 minutes of deep breathing and relaxation can make you feel more centered. 6. Try a hair mask. Your hair deserves some love too. Use a store-bought hair mask or make your own with ingredients like coconut oil, avocado, or yogurt. Apply it to your hair, let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes, and rinse it out. Your hair will feel silky and refreshed. 7. Redesign your space. Sometimes, a little change in your surroundings can make a huge difference. Rearrange your furniture, hang up some fairy lights, or create a vision board for your wall. You'll feel like you've walked into a new room, and it's such a fun way to pass the time. Chapter 2. Get creative. Now that you're feeling refreshed, let's dive into your creative side. Whether you're into art, writing, or crafts, there's so much you can do to express yourself. 1. Start a scrapbook. Gather your favorite photos, print them out, and get to work on a scrapbook. You can include pictures of your friends, family, pets, or even screenshots of funny memes and texts. Add stickers, washi tape, or colorful markers to make each page unique. It's a fun way to relive memories and create something you'll treasure forever. 2. Paint or draw something. You don't have to be an artist to enjoy painting or drawing. Grab some paper, pencils, or paints and let your imagination flow. Not sure what to create? Try following a tutorial on YouTube, or start with something simple like a sunset, flowers, or an abstract pattern. Even if it's not perfect, the process of creating is so relaxing. 3. Write a short story or poem. Let your imagination run wild. Write about a dream you've had, a magical adventure, or even something funny that happened to you. If you're into poetry, try writing a few rhymes or haikus. 4. Learn a new craft. Crafting is so satisfying. Try making friendship bracelets, learning to knit, or even creating your own jewelry. There are tons of easy tutorials online, and once you get the hang of it, you'll feel so accomplished. 5. DIY your clothes. Give your wardrobe a makeover. You can tie-dye a plain shirt, add patches to an old jacket, or turn a pair of jeans into cute shorts. It's a fun way to upcycle clothes you already have and create something totally unique. 6. Make a vision board. Cut out pictures and quotes from old magazines that represent your goals and dreams. Glue them onto a piece of cardboard or a poster board and display it in your room. A vision board isn't just pretty, it's also a great way to stay motivated and inspired. 7. Build a playlist. Spend some time creating the ultimate playlist. You can make one for working out, relaxing, or even dancing around your room. 8. Try photography. If you have a camera, or even just your phone, try taking pictures around your house or yard. Experiment with angles, lighting, and editing apps. You'll be surprised at how creative you can get. 9. Plan a themed movie night. Choose a theme like 90s classics or romantic comedies and create a movie marathon. Make popcorn, grab a cozy blanket, and settle in for the ultimate chill session. Chapter 3. Food fun. Let's talk about food, girl. There's no better way to beat boredom than by heading into the kitchen and getting creative with snacks, treats, and meals. Whether you're baking something sweet or trying a new recipe, cooking can be so much fun, and you get to eat your creations. Here are some foodie ideas to turn your boredom into a delicious adventure. 1. Bake something sweet. Who doesn't love homemade cookies, brownies, or cupcakes? Baking is a perfect way to pass the time, and the best part? You get to eat all the yummy treats afterward. Start with something simple, like chocolate chip cookies. If you want to try something new, go for a TikTok-inspired dessert like mug cakes or Oreo stuffed brownies. Baking is also a chance to get creative. Decorate cupcakes with frosting, sprinkles, or edible glitter. Even if you're not a pro, the process is so fun, and the kitchen will smell amazing. 2. Make a fancy drink. You don't need a coffee shop to enjoy a cute drink. Try making your own iced coffee, hot chocolate, or smoothie bowl at home. For iced coffee, brew some coffee, let it cool, and pour it over ice. Add a splash of milk, flavored syrup, or even whipped cream if you're feeling extra fancy. If smoothies are more your vibe, throw together frozen fruit, yogurt, and a little juice or milk into a blender. Top it with granola, fresh fruit, or shredded coconut to make it Instagram-worthy. For hot chocolate, stir cocoa powder, sugar, and milk together on the stove until it's smooth and creamy. Top it with marshmallows, whipped cream, or even a drizzle of caramel. Yum! 3. Try a new recipe. There's nothing more satisfying than cooking a delicious dish from scratch. Scroll through Pinterest, TikTok, or YouTube for recipe inspiration, and choose something you've never made before. If you're feeling adventurous, try making homemade pizza. Roll out some dough, spread on tomato sauce, and pile it high with your favorite toppings: cheese, veggies, or even pineapple. Yes, we're that kind of girl here. Or go for a fun snack like loaded nachos. Layer tortilla chips with melted cheese, salsa, guac, and sour cream. It's quick, easy, and so good. 4. Have a snack picnic. Why not switch things up and have a picnic at home? Spread out a blanket on the floor, grab a few cushions, and set up a cute picnic spread with your favorite snacks. Think fruits, crackers, cheese, chocolate, and a fun drink. You can even make it themed, like a Parisian picnic with croissants and pastries, or a movie night spread with popcorn and candy. Turn on your favorite show or play some chill music for extra cozy vibes. 5. Decorate sugar cookies. If you want a fun project, bake or buy plain sugar cookies and decorate them. Use icing, sprinkles, and candy to create designs. You can make cute shapes like hearts, stars, or animals, or just freestyle it. Decorating cookies is so satisfying, and the results are as pretty as they are tasty. 6. Meal prep. Like a boss. Okay, hear me out. Meal prepping might sound boring, but it's actually so productive and rewarding. Plan out a few easy meals or snacks for the week and prepare them all in one go. For example, you can make a batch of overnight oats for breakfast, prep salads in jars, or portion out some homemade granola bars. Not only will you have delicious food ready to go, but you'll also feel super organized and accomplished. 7. Try DIY candy making. If you're feeling adventurous, try making your own candy or treats. You can create chocolate truffles, caramel popcorn, or even homemade gummies. There are tons of easy recipes online that don't require fancy tools, just your creativity and a sweet tooth. 8. Recreate a restaurant dish. Have a favorite meal from your go-to restaurant? Try recreating it at home. Whether it's your favorite pasta dish, a fancy salad, or a loaded burger, cooking your version can be so fun. Plus, you might even discover it's better homemade. 9. Make breakfast for dinner. Why wait for the morning to enjoy breakfast foods? Whip up pancakes, waffles, or an omelet for dinner. Add toppings like syrup, fresh fruit, or whipped cream to make it extra fun. Breakfast for dinner feels like such a treat and is super easy to make. Chapter 4. Learn something new. Boredom is the perfect opportunity to grow, girl. Why not use the extra time to learn a new skill, pick up a hobby, or dive into something you've always been curious about? Here are some fun ways to learn something new while keeping it exciting. 1. Learn a TikTok dance. We had to start here because TikTok dances are iconic. Whether it's a viral trend or just a fun routine, learning a TikTok dance is a great way to move your body and pass the time. Pull up a tutorial, break the moves into sections, and practice until you've got it down. Bonus, you'll feel so accomplished when you finally nail it, and you'll have something fun to share with your friends. 2nd, start learning a new language. Always wanted to speak French, Spanish, or Japanese? Now's your chance. Download a language app like Duolingo or Babbel and start learning the basics. Start with simple phrases like hello, thank you, or how are you? You can even watch YouTube videos or listen to podcasts in your chosen language. Learning a new language isn't just fun, it's also super useful. 3. Watch a documentary. There are so many fascinating documentaries out there, from nature and history to true crime and fashion. Pick a topic that interests you and dive in. You might learn something new about the world or yourself. Take an online class with free resources like YouTube and Skillshare. You can learn pretty much anything. Want to improve your photography skills? Learn to draw? Try makeup techniques. There's a class for that. Pick a topic you've always wanted to explore and spend some time learning. You might discover a hidden talent or a new passion. 5. Try an educational apps like Quizlet, Lumosity, or even trivia games can help you learn while having fun. Test your memory, improve your brain power, or brush up on a topic you've always wanted to master. 6. Start a DIY project. Learning a new craft or DIY skill is such a rewarding way to spend your time. Try knitting, crocheting, or even making jewelry. There are so many tutorials online to guide you, and you'll feel so accomplished when you finish your project. 7. Learn a card trick or magic trick. Ever wanted to impress your friends with a cool card trick? Look up a few tutorials and practice until you can perform them flawlessly. It's such a fun skill to have, and it's guaranteed to get a wow from anyone watching. 8. Explore science experiments. If you're into science or just curious, try simple at-home experiments. You can create a baking soda volcano, make slime, or even grow crystals. It's like being in a fun mini science class, but with snacks and no tests. 9. Learn a new hairstyle. If you've been rocking the same hairstyle for a while, now's the time to mix it up. Practice braiding, curling, or creating trendy updos. Look up tutorials for styles you've always admired and practice until you nail them. 10. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Have something you're passionate about? Share it with the world. Whether it's fashion, gaming, beauty, or DIY projects, starting a blog or YouTube channel is such a fun way to express yourself and connect with others. Chapter 5. Movement and energy boosters. Sometimes when you're bored, the best thing to do is get your body moving. Exercise doesn't have to be boring. It can actually be fun and super energizing. Whether you're dancing around your room or going for a quick walk, these ideas will help you boost your energy, improve your mood, and keep boredom at bay. 1. Do a dance workout, girl. Turn up your favorite playlist and dance like no one's watching. Dancing is such a fun way to get your heart rate up and release those feel-good endorphins. You can freestyle in your room or follow a dance workout on YouTube. There are tons of free videos to choose from. If you're feeling extra, create a mini dance routine to your favorite song. It's a great workout and a creative outlet all in one. Bonus points if you grab a hairbrush as your microphone and sing along. 2. Try yoga or stretching yoga is perfect for those days when you want to move your body but still feel relaxed. Look up a beginner-friendly yoga video or just stretch it out on your own. Focus on loosening up your neck, shoulders, and back, especially if you've been sitting a lot. Not into yoga? Try a 5 to 10 minute stretching routine. Stretching improves flexibility, relieves tension, and helps you feel more awake and refreshed. It's a small thing that makes a big difference. 3. Have a mini photo shoot. Okay? Hear me out. Posing for photos can actually be a workout. Get dressed up, set up a self-timer, and have a mini photo shoot. If you have a sibling or a friend around, ask them to snap some pictures of you. Climbing onto chairs for the perfect angle, striking fierce poses, and laughing at the silly outtakes will definitely get you moving. Plus, you'll have a collection of cute pics at the end of it. 4. Go for a walk. Sometimes, the best way to shake off boredom is to get outside. Even a quick 10-minute walk can do wonders for your mood and energy levels. If the weather's nice, take a stroll through your neighborhood, explore a nearby park, or just walk around your backyard. If you can't go outside, no worries. Walk around your house, march in place, or find a YouTube walking workout. The goal is to get your steps in and your blood flowing. 5. Do a quick HIIT workout. High-intensity interval training might sound intense, but it's actually perfect if you want a short, effective workout. You can create your own circuit with simple moves like jumping jacks, squats, lunges, and push-ups. Do each exercise for 30 seconds, rest for 15 seconds, and repeat the circuit 4 to 5 times. Don't worry if you're a beginner, just go at your own pace. HIIT is great because it doesn't take much time, and you'll feel super accomplished afterward. 6. Do a clean and dance session. Cleaning might not sound exciting, but hear me out. Put on your favorite music and turn it into a dance party. Pick a room, grab some cleaning supplies, and start tidying up while grooving to the beat. Dance while you vacuum, sing into your mop, and have fun organizing your space. By the time you're done, your room will look amazing, and you'll have burned some calories without even realizing it. And there you have it, girl. So many fun and creative ways to turn your boredom into something amazing. Whether you're treating yourself, getting crafty, or trying something new, remember, you've got this, girl.